Hey, it's your girl Nina Sharae. Happy quarantine. I'm making this quick video because, as you know, I had to switch the company from Nina Sharae Resort and Swimwear to Nina Sharae Mask and Hand Sanitizer. So, those who have ordered a mask for me, I greatly appreciate it. First batch of masks that we were doing, we was adding elastic to our mask. This time, we had switched all the elastic masks into string masks because I realized that some people do not have a full face like I do. Some people's faces are long and skinny. So, I'm going to show you guys how to put a string in your mask. You can either, if you order from me, you can email me at info@ninasharae.com and I will send you out a string for free. If you order a mask from today on out, all the masks have strings in them. And when I say about strings, I'm going to show you a demonstration here. So this is the kids mask, and we was doing this for all the kids, adding the strings, because we realized kids like to touch their face, they outside playing and things like that, and you don't want them to touch their face. So we did this for the kids, but also we are now doing this for adults, and it works out perfectly. And so how the string will go is either behind the ear, or you put it on top, the middle, across your head, however you want it to fit for comfort. And then you just pretty much just tie it in the back. The string will go through the channel here, and this string go through the other side of the channel as well. So I'm gonna demonstrate it, how to string your mask. If that don't make sense, but string your mask. Okay, so you would definitely need a safety pin. I've seen some people say that, they didn't know how to put the strings back in once they wash it. You would definitely need a safety pin, and you will put it at the end of the string. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, so this is the inside of the mask, the channel here. There's the loop here, the opening here. We already did one side already, so you can see how it goes through. So you take the safety pin, you stick it in the channel, and you just pull on through. Pull on through. Come on through. All right. Bam. And now you have your mask is fully stringed. So these are the ones who I sent out additional strings for, and the mask. And then so you take the safety pin out, and you just want to tie a knot at the bottom so it won't slip out, or you can have a control of it. And then this is how you put the mask on. So you put it on like a regular mask, put the string around your head, and then you tie it. See? You tie it. Now I have on a scarf, so I'm not going to put it on the top of my head. But this is how it's supposed to go. And I'm not going to tie it tight. But see, look. I'm going to do a 180 so you can see how the string is. And so how you put it behind your ear, the top of your head. But since I have my puffs in, you're not going to be able to see it. But this is how it goes. For those who would like to keep the elastic on and still put the string in, I did one as well. So I still have the elastic in here, and I just take the safety pin, and you just pull the elastic through here. You pull the string through here. So you have double protection. You have the strings around your ear, and then you have the elastic around your ear, and then you also have the string around your ear too, and you can tie it to make it as tight as you would like to. Very simple. Like I said once before, if you order a mask from me, if you would like a string for additional protection, email me at info@ninasharae.com. All the masks now will have the strings in them. And, thank you. And I'm going to do another video on how to wash your mask, or with tips on how to wash your mask, because I learned some different ways how to wash your mask, and also other filters that you can use inside your mask. So thank you guys. Bye.